welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Smoke and Mirrors from the 29th to the 31st of December 2025 on Monday. Sakhile launches a no confidence campaign against Jason, and Phakathi quietly builds evidence. Mandla runs into trouble in Joburg, and tension rise at home as Philile and Gayise clash over university plans on Tuesday. Sakhile gains support against Jason as the community grows tired of the water crisis, while teams attempt to move on is shaken when his wife suddenly appears on Wednesday. Jason is infuriated that he's losing his grip on the community despite giving them water tanks. Petunia feels that Gayise is showing her up at work. Tim's makes his move on Tiny, but she's looking for commitment. Well guys, that's all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.